wish we could go somewhere sweet.
Sweet? Like candy?
Candyland! Let's go! Woo!
I declare today, Candy Fun Day!
Yes, your sweetness!
Does that mean more chocolate slides?
Row, row, row the donut!
Don't eat the boat, Panda!
Sail, sail, sail away across the chocolate. Climb, climb, ice cream high.
Slide on cream clouds in the sky.
Candy bells go ding, ding, ding. Bounce, bounce, candy high. Slide, slide, touch the sky. Swirl and twirl, dance around. Candyland fun is all around. Race time!
Last one there eats broccoli.
Go, go, go! The candy crown must win! Boing! I can touch the candy clouds! My tummy jiggles! I'm the biggest jelly bean ever! That was the sweetest dream.
Can we go back tomorrow?
Only if there's more chocolate.